Hey, so this time Dave and I decided to try out Horseshoe Valley Resort or Horseshoe Resort in Orillia, Ontario. It was kind of small. It's a really good place probably for learners, for beginners, for people who want to get little kids into skiing and snowboarding or that kind of thing right from scratch, right from the beginning. The only drawback to it is a couple of the lifts are a little slow, so it does take a long time to get up to the top for how short the runs are if you're not teaching somebody or going really slow with little kids. And it's also a little bit pricey. So I would say it's about $10 per person cheaper than just going to Blue Mountain or something like that. It's about $20 or $30 cheaper for us to go to Horseshoe Valley than it is for Dave and I to go to Mount St. Louis, which we're going to do tomorrow. So all in all, it was pretty decent. I mean, it's a nice place. There's a good vibe. Dave loved that they had music playing and that kind of thing. Definitely recommended if you are teaching somebody or if you're taking kids up for the first time. But I don't know that I would go back regularly if you are past that beginner stage. On another note, we're staying at the Fairfield Inn in Orillia for the night, and it is my birthday, and the staff here were nice enough to leave this little birthday goodie bag with some snacks and a little birthday card for me there. So thank you, Fairfield Inn Marriott, and to the staff who signed my birthday card. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. It might be a little bit long just because the runs were pretty short. We meant to do the whole thing top to bottom, every run open like we did for Vorlage a week or two ago. But to be honest, after a couple of hours, we got pretty bored and we weren't going to stick around for the 5-6 minutes up, 30 seconds down kind of thing much longer. So I think we probably got about 2/3 of the runs done, and hopefully you find the video useful or enjoyable. Thanks.
newest chair at Horseshoe Valley. It's pretty slow. We're really trying to find our way over. There's like a run that it's mostly closed off. It looks like there's one way, so we're trying to find our way over to that. We're gonna make it our last run. It's short lift lines, but the runs are pretty short too. So I don't know. What do you think?
The soundtrack's good.
There you go.